Hello, Kitoko family. Pappy Orion here. Thank you very much for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and I'm very, very grateful for your pouring in. Um, there's a lot of new subscribers that have joined us on this channel, and it just gives me joy to know that people are interested. If this is your first time on this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. We bring amazing content from Congo, we talk to Congolese in the diaspora, and we look at what young people are doing in the Congo to contribute to the development of our country. I want to thank you guys for being part of this family, for subscribing, and I will do my best to satisfy you guys here on this channel. And if you've been here on this channel, if you've been following me along the way, watching our content, thank you very much for sticking around. So guys, I'm doing this re-intro again for those people who are new on this channel. I know most of you don't know who I am, and it would be nice for you who are watching to at least know a little bit of where in Congo I come from and why I'm doing what I'm doing. So let's go. So guys, as you heard, my name is Pappy Orion Boyinkebe. That is my machine name. I come from the eastern part of the Democratic Republic of Congo, specifically in South Kivu, in town and in Bukavu, but not directly in Bukavu. I come from Chiherano. Chiherano is a very, very deep village. I was born there. I grew up there. A little story actually about my village, Chiherano. When I was a kid, I think I saw a car maybe once in a month, and I used to be one of those kids really running out of cars. When you see a car, you'll be running miles and see where the car is going. So that is my childhood. I'm come from the Bashi tribe. Some of you who don't know, the wife of the current president of the wife of Felix Tshisekedi is from the Bashi tribe. I'm not a tribalist. I'm just telling you exactly my background and where I come from. And so I left Congo when I was around 12. A reason why I was recruited as a child soldier at a very early age, and my dad felt fear into this army, so he arranged for my escape, and that's how I escaped as a young kid. And fortunately, I ended up in Southern Africa as a kid, as a teenager, and life was very tough. But so I'm very, very grateful the path that God has taken me and where I am today. Even though I've experienced a very traumatic childhood, I'm very, very grateful for where I am today, and actually I've learned a lot of lessons through my journey as a kid, and I think this is what has pushed me to be doing what I'm doing today. Because when I look at other people, especially the children of Congo that are still struggling today, I feel the need to be part of making the change. I feel the need of representing and bringing hope to the hopeless. Because there are a lot of things that are still happening in our country. Obviously, we have a fragile peace now, but there is still a lot that is happening there, and it needs our attention. Us as Congolese, we all have to be engaged in and reestablishing peace in our country. And some of us might ask ourselves and say, how am I going to do that if I'm sitting here in Europe? I think all of us, is our responsibility to engage. I've seen a lot of people say, this country, yeah, I don't know, I cannot, there's nothing I can do. I'm here, maybe I'm in Europe, I'm in America or South Africa or China or Asia, but what can I do to be able to be part of the bringing peace? And let me tell you, we all, no matter where you are, I'm seeing young people, young Congolese that are speaking out. We have the power today. We have the power of the internet. We have the power of technology. And I believe with that, we can all engage. I know a lot of young people. For example, a friend of mine who runs a YouTube channel called Congo Talk 243. Felicity Kazadi. She runs this channel and she really talks about issues affecting us she talks about issues affecting us as Congolese. And then she also she teaches languages. She teaches us Kikongo. It's because of her that I'm really having this I've developed this really vision of really learning, the vision of learning Kikongo, because I saw in her the love of our country. And I'm seeing also a lot of young people like Felicity Kazadi that are saying, we are the future of Congo, we are Congo. 50, more than 70% of our population is that of young people. Whether they are in Congo or whether they're outside of Congo, we all have a part to play in our country. And I was actually very surprised when I was going online searching for content for my next video, searching for young YouTubers that are making a big impact, and I couldn't find many people. And if I look at other countries around the world that are making impact, like a country like Nigeria, you have Kenya, you have Tanzania, you have South Africa, a lot of content creators, people that are creating content, putting on YouTube and talking, whether it's representing the beauty of their nation or fashion or makeup or food, in every different spheres, we could also represent our countries like that. So I'm doing this video to encourage, to tell you a little bit of my story and to encourage you to stand up, to use this tool that we have to represent our country, Congo. And so I know it's very, very tough because I've been doing this for some time now, and sometimes it seems like it's not going anywhere. And I see it every day and I get disappointed. But I keep on doing it because I know that there are some people, there's you who's listening and who's really someone who hasn't seen Kahuzi National Park, Kahuzi Biega National Park, and now see it because I made a video. And if I can impact just one person, for me that is already enough. And I keep on doing it. If each video that I do, one person watch it, I will never stop doing it. So I want to encourage you guys, Congolese in the diaspora, Congolese in Congo, to engage. Use what you have. Stand up, speak up. We most of the time we criticize, we talk about this, what is not being done well, but we have the platform that we can talk to a lot of people, and we don't use it. So I encourage you to, as Congolese, to engage, to start doing things, to come use technology to bring up us to speak up the message that we want to speak. Many people tell me it's because we don't have a good internet, but it's the same in other countries. But in other countries, they're doing it. Share this message to someone who might want to hear it. And again, I just want to remind you that, to tell you that Congo has got talent. Congolese people are very, very talented. I've seen it myself. Whether it's in the diaspora or is back at home in Congo, we've got a lot of talent, and we need to use those talents. We've got, people that are dedicated, that have sacrificed themselves to really represent Congo. And I want to encourage you to keep on doing it, You know, I believe it's not the views, how many people that watches your video that are gonna make the change of our country. If, for me, for example, I don't always look at how many views are watching my video. I'm looking at how many people have engaged, how many people this message that I have conveyed have touched. And I've seen really people coming back to me and telling me how, you know, a video that I made maybe a year ago, 2 years ago, spoke to them, and now they were somewhere maybe in America, and now they're wanting to visit Congo. And I had people that actually, young people that joined me in Congo because they watched a video that I made on YouTube. And when I see those kind of results, I'm very, very encouraged, and I want to continue doing these videos. So guys, show me some love, subscribe to this channel. You know, let's keep on doing this together. And if there is a topic related, you know, showing, changing the narrative of Congo, please leave the comment in the description below. You know, tell me what would you want to see here. I believe that we're going to do this together, and we're going to encourage our people. Also, the next topic that we'll be working on is looking at the Congolese YouTubers. Watch out for that video that's coming next week. I'm excited about that video because I have found some amazing young YouTubers, young Congolese YouTubers, really making impact, you know, touching issues that are affecting us as Congolese, or representing Congo in a different light, in a positive light. So that will be the video for next week, and I'm looking forward to that. And guys, tune in for next week. Next week Friday, the video will be posted. And so yeah, guys, we are in this together. I love you guys. We love Congo, and Congo is in us. Thank you very much for your love. God bless you.